This patio, it's going to be resealed. This was sealed about a year ago from a different company, and the customer is not too happy with it. You can see that the colors are very blotchy and has all these white spots that go trapped underneath the sealer. We're going to apply a stripper and remove the old sealer and also pressure wash the entire patio and all the sand in between the joints. And we're going to reapply a new sealer. Stripping and resealing over the patio, it's completed. We removed the old sealer. We applied a chemical over the stones to soften the sealer. Patio was sealed last year, but didn't come out too good, so the client hired us to strip and reseal it. Color of the stones came back to the original. The sealer we use makes a gray color enhancement. This is the latest sealing application done by Gappsi in Lake Grove, New York.